wangenzaga.
How many are we buying? Just so in case if something happens. You never know. That's so small. One look at that 8 bags. Wow. So you think like if you buy like this, like 3 of them, how long would they last? Is it gonna reach a month? Like 2 months? Around 2 months. Okay, you don't know the war about.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Mission Top back with another video for you guys. As you guys saw, I forgot to do an intro in the morning. So, but since like I'll be trying for the first time doing like the longest vlog, I don't know how long it's gonna take, but it's gonna take until like Thursday. So today's Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Let's say it's a 7-day vlog now. So as you saw with the past videos, we from the store. Yeah, I was with my boyfriend. So I'm quickly gonna do a haul. I got home and I started eating, but I'm still eating because you can't go to the shops and come back full. Like there's absolutely no way. But yeah, it's not everything that I got because some of the things got split up. Yeah, I got shin guards for him. That's his shin guards. And then I got this until I get my nails done. I got soap. And then I got hairpiece because I need to do my hair. I got another one in color one. And then I got a pink as well. I got panty liners because he taught me panty liners. I didn't like panty liners at first. I got some lotion. And then I got these and the other things he has them. Then I got pie and a few things. Today it's the what date is it today? Like now, my laptop doesn't even show me that date. I just know it's a Saturday. Other side of my family, but I didn't go simply because I didn't have an outfit. Besides outfit, my hair is not there. I can't go like this to a wedding. But yeah, I'll see you guys probably tomorrow. Hey guys, welcome to the next day. Today is the 21st of April and it's currently 12:01. So it's a Sunday, and on Sundays mostly I attempt to cook. So today we're gonna be doing yellow rice with chicken and like I don't know how to cook yet. So you guys don't judge how I'm cooking or whatever that I'm gonna be doing because I'm learning. Thank you guys so much for watching my YouTube video. Please like, comment and subscribe.